Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Ilagan Isabela ang Bulacan 109-82. Tinanghal na best player of the game si RJ Oligario sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists at 2 steals. Nagtala naman si Mena ng 16 points, Art De La Cruz 16 points, Arenal 7 points, Galliano 4 points, Keteves 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Oligario ng 22 points, Ramirez 8 points, Marcos 6 points, Bautista 5 points, Boraga 5 points, Adorio 5 points, Andre Doremdes 3 points, Alan Santos 2 points, Ando 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Bulacan, RR De Leon 18 points, Art Aquino 11 points, Bulawan 8 points, Martihel 0 point, Ahero 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Sumido ng 21 points, Espirito 14 points, Celso 4 points, Gonzaga 2 points, Osicos 2 points, Humauas 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Pasay kontra sa Abra 70-60. Best player of the game si Cyrus Tabi sa likod ng kanyang 11 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Nagtala naman si Bonifacio ng 14 points, Reverente 11 points, Coronel 10 points, Victoria 9 points, Dansara 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Cyrus Tabi ng 11 points, Chavez 9 points, Soriano 4 points. Para naman sa natalong Abra, Encho Serrano 21 points, Eldefonso 11 points, Odoba 6 points, Taha 2 points, David 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Taiwan ng 6 points, Batino 5 points, Austria 4 points, Cruz Domont 3 points, Gonzales 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Huwagi naman ang Binyan kontra sa Pangasinan 85-71. Best player of the game si Christian Pajarito sa likod ng kanang 14 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Nagtala si Lastimosa ng 14 points, Canaleta 11 points, Hernandez 5 points, Rimondo 3 points, Alonti 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Pajarito ng 14 points, Roca Corva 12 points, Subido 8 points, Gimpayan 7 points, Maestri 7 points, Jeff Chan 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Pangasinan, Collado 11 points, Di Gregorio 9 points, Napoles 9 points, Gabo 7 points, Ralph Robin 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Vic Manuel ng 19 points, Melencio 4 points, Mabulak 3 points, Gortiza 3 points, Flores 2 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 20, 2025 na gaganapin sa San Andres Sports Complex. Maglalaban ang Cebu at Bataan alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Basilan at Valenzuela alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutos naman ang Manila at Nueva Ecija alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 19, 2025. Pampanga 2-0 loss, Nueva Ecija 2-0 loss, Abra 2-1 loss, Pangasinan 2-1 loss, Ilagan Isabela 2-1 loss, Pasay 2-1 loss, Manila 1-1 loss, Quezon City 1-1 loss, Valenzuela 1-1 loss, Caloocan 1-1 loss, Bataan 0-2 losses, Bulacan 0-3 losses, Marikina 0-3 losses, Pasig 0-0 loss, San Juan 0-0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 19, 2025. Gensan Warriors 2-0 loss, Quezon Huskers 2-0 loss, Rizal 2-0 loss, Zamboanga 2-0 loss, Cebu 1-1 loss, Batangas 1-1 loss, Binyan 1-2 losses, Imos 1-2 losses, Mindoro 1-2 losses, Basilan 0-2 losses, Sarangani 0-3 losses, habang ang Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque parehong may 0-0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.